Hello everyone! This video is for French learners who are beginners or intermediates, but above all for French learners who want to make proper French sentences confidently in spoken French. And I'm telling you now, I just released a complete course that is called Spoken French Now. That focuses on spoken French and that makes you speak French in 3 months. So in this video, based on my teaching experience and all the feedbacks that I get from my students, I show you what you have to do to have simple day-to-day conversations in French with confidence. And also what you must not do if you want to speak French. And then I show you how my spoken French course can get you to speak French. And I show you how you can get it. So usually, French learners have at least one of these 3 issues. They're struggling finding their words and trying to put French words together. They forget what they learn, and they have no or very few occasions for useful practice. And it's not even surprising, actually that's normal, because traditional methods are not made to make you speak French. Traditional methods teach written French. So traditional methods or writing methods assume that you have plenty of time to think of what you want to write. So these methods don't aim to give you the reflexes and the habits that you need to make French sentences and reply instantly. It's just not in their scope. Writing methods make you learn by heart tons of lists of words and tables, and that's horrible and that doesn't even work. Because learning words and tables is not learning a language. So you're cramming, you're not practicing your French speaking, so you're forgetting, so you feel guilty, whereas it's the writing method that is wrong, not you. But I can show you a method, a speaking method, that gets you to speak French with confidence and without learning by heart lists and tables. And if that's what you want, you need to switch to a new paradigm or a new logic, but a new logic that solves all your issues at the same time. So a method where you find your words. You put French words together in the right order, instantly. You remember what you will learn and you're continuously practicing. That's the speaking method. So with the speaking method, you don't learn by heart any list or tables that you wouldn't be able to use anyway. And you don't do boring exercises that have nothing to do with your French speaking. With a speaking method, you get used to connect words together into sentences from lesson 1. So you get the tools that allow you to make your own sentences in spoken French. And it's also a way of learning that automatically makes you remember what you learn. And I call that part of the method the guided speaking sessions. And the other part of the method trains you to find new words quickly and confidently. And that's the speed training sessions. And both parts form the speaking method. But why does it work? Actually, the guided speaking sessions are based on the fact that you have to think of what you want to say in French. That's the key to your transformation into a French speaker. As you focus on my explanations and on the sentences that you have to say, by making the sentences in French by yourself out loud and guided by my corrections, you are acquiring the sentences structures in your head, and actually you are acquiring the French language. And as we do a mix of spaced repetition and new sentences, it's fun, and you're always reusing what you learned before, so you don't forget what you learn. And we alternate with speed trainings. So the speed training sessions are really what is going to reinforce your confidence in speaking French. Because with speed trainings, you have to say short blocks of French sentences with a timer, which creates a stake. That simulates real life. So you focus. So you create your own reflexes. So you get used to speak French quickly and confidently, even in stressful situations. And you can always do it because the sentences you have to say are short and spaced so you're never overwhelmed. And then it's very easy to follow. So if you join my course, you'll see that you're completely guided from lesson 1 to the end of the course. You just play the videos one after the other. I will explain you how to make French sentences, and you just have to make the sentences out loud. And I guide you all along the course through the videos so that you never get stuck. This way we cover the whole A2 grammar in spoken French. And we regularly do speed training sessions to really fix what you learn in your reflexes. And you'll see that it's fun. I designed this course to make it clear and straightforward. But the feedback I get the most is that people are addicted and they find it fun. So when you join, you start with the first 4 lessons. And then you get 2 new lessons per week over 3 months. So 30 lessons total. And you keep a lifetime access to all the lessons. And once you've done all the lessons, you have the A2 grammar level in spoken French. And you can have simple day-to-day conversations in French confidently. And now, what's the price of spoken French now? You get around 40 hours of French lessons that are worth 2,000 euros, if it was a live course. As it's a video course, it's worth 1,000 euros. And for this third launch, I make a 50% discount. So you can join Spoken French now for 498 euros that you can pay in 3 installments. So that means that you can try the course with the first payment of 166 euros at day 1, a second payment of 166 euros at day 30, and a third payment of 166 euros at day 60. As you get 2 new lessons per week, by day 60 you have 20 lessons over 30. And you also get a 60 days warranty. So by the end of the 60th day, if you want to quit, just send me an email. I don't ask for any reason and I pay you back in full. So you don't take any risk and you have the time to see if it was what you expected. If you want to pay in one time, you have an additional discount. And the price is 398 euros. And you also get the 60 days warranty. But that's not all. If you join Spoken French now, you get a bonus. You get 2 live one-on-one French lessons of 1 hour each with me. So we'll do customized French lessons, where I'll answer your questions and correct your pronunciation if needed. And that's also why I have to limit the enrollments. I can't take too many students. So you can join Spoken French now until Sunday 20th October 2024. After that date, it's over. So if you don't want to miss this opportunity to speak French confidently, now you know everything you need to know. And you can join Spoken French now with the link below this video. And I see you there.